Drink beer, it's good for you.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'll be taking a first look at the Kegmenter multi-purpose keg system. This is a preview video, so here I'm essentially running through what came out of the box and also looking at how this all works. Once I've given this a thorough testing, which to my mind means testing it at least 3 to 5 times, then I will come back with a review and final verdict video. As you can see from this title screen, this system has a great deal of different uses, so let's delve in and take a quick look now. Here is what I got out of the box, so you can see that there is a floating beer line system included, as well as a top plate with cornu keg posts and pressure release valve. This is held into place by a 4-inch tri-clover clamp. Here you can see this top plate fitted, but let's take it back off and have a closer look at it. This lid seals down very nicely and the reverse side gives no surprises, which is always nice. This tri-clover opening is a nice size, being 4 inches across. This gives plenty of room for me to get my arm in, and I'm happy to report that I can reach all areas of the keg with my hand, which is good to know from a cleaning perspective. Here is a look at the floating beer line system. This is the same as has been sold with the Fermentasaurus and Firmzilla, and I like the way these serve the clear beer from the top. It's a simple but genius idea. I think that what Kegland have done with this keg system is also simple but genius. This product is a keg that has been evolved by a system addition of this tri-clover opening, with accessories for different purposes. More on this later. The bottom of this keg has an indent that you can see here from the inside, and also here from the outside. You will also note that the bottom is concave. This allows waste products to sit lower than the beer inside. Also, each of these kegs has an interlocking chime system which allows the safe stacking of up to 4 of these. I have to say that I really love this, as space comes at a premium for me these days. It should be noted that during normal operation these cannot be stacked in this way. The chime system is just for storage, but some have used wooden blocks to create enough space between each Kegmenter so they can be stacked during operation. There are also 2 different sizes available, 29 litre, which is the one that I'm showing here, and also a 58 litre version. Kegland suggests that the 29 litre version is suitable for 25 litre batches, and that the 58 litre is suitable for 50 litres. So I mentioned earlier that there are add-ons available so that you can do different things with this keg system. This first plate is one that allows the use of a regular airlock. There is also this lid that I showed you earlier that turns this into a vessel capable of pressure fermentation, being a unitank and a bright tank. With this equipped, this is happy up to 36 psi, and the valve is rated at 35 psi as a failsafe. It is a nice weighty piece and feels very much like it's built to last. If distilling is of interest to you, then there is also a 4-inch to 2-inch Concentric Reducer available for the Kegmenter that will mean that you can attach an Alco engine reflux or the Alco engine pot still. Whilst you can heat the Kegmenter with a naked flame, it is highly recommended that you install one of these stainless steel heating elements that has been designed with the Kegmenter in mind. This will involve you drilling a hole that is suitable in the side of the Kegmenter. These are available in 110 volt and 220 to 240 volt versions, and deliver 1.6 and 2.2 kilowatts respectively. Once this heating element is in place, then you can use it for various different applications also outside of distilling. It can be used for boiling and heating in general. One popular use is also using it as an inoculation vessel for sour beers. So as you can see, these kegs have a great number of different uses given the support by the manufacturer. I have to say that I really love the multi-purpose concept behind all of this, and I really look forward to giving it a very thorough testing before coming back to you with a full review. If you have questions or would like to discuss this or other brewing matters, then consider joining my channel Facebook group. There is a great bunch of people there and many topics are discussed each day with a very active base of members. This now brings this video to a close. If you have any questions, then please let me know via YouTube or Facebook. I do hope that you found this video to be useful, interesting and enjoyable. If appropriate, then please like this video on YouTube, and if you've not done so already, then please subscribe. I regularly post new content. Happy brewing!